Hi, I'm Sama Tamhidi. I work as a project control head in several international projects. The main responsibility of a project controller or planner is to establish a schedule, analyze it effectively, update, control, and finally create jaw-dropping reports to touch the targets. This is what's comprehensively detailed in my course. We have a golden bonus. Muhammad, as a soft skill instructor, is here to teach us how to handle the hectic situations at work. Okay, because Microsoft Project has a user-friendly environment, it is easy to work with. All the cores are done in a real construction project, and steadily we achieve the master level. Don't forget to challenge yourself with practices in every step that I give you as homework. First, we survey about the Microsoft Project usage among countries and companies. After that, we start in detail and from very beginning schedule a duplex building together. Then we step up and work with the resources. Understand the project management terms and progress steps. Load works and costs to each task. Update and analyze the work schedule. Get effective and create innovative reports in Excel and Microsoft Project. Work with EVM method. You learn how to get the S-curve of every project. I also introduce you the new project management method. It is called Agile Management. Includes sprints. At the end, your colleagues enjoy teamwork with you. Hi, Mr. Mo. Muhammad, what are you doing in my course?
I hear you're talking about teamwork and communication. I'm here to assist you with teamwork and how the communication works.
Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Muhammad. I work as a project control manager from east to the west of the world for more than 13 years, from small to massive projects. As Forbes is saying, soft skills are essential to the future of work. Jobs are going to be automated and soft skills cannot be replicated by machines. That's why the statistic shows that soft skill intensive occupation will account for 2/3 of all jobs by 2013. Yes, that is the demand of the future. So we need to invest on ourselves from now on. In the leader level of this course, I will talk about soft skills. First, I dig into communication and give you some hints about having a everlasting communication with people. Then I will talk about scheduling. I know Sama talked about scheduling, but in Microsoft Project. That's why I have covered scheduling in the view of soft skills. You learn Microsoft Project scheduling. Then, with help of its soft skills, you present it. Teamwork and forecasting. These are the powerful lessons. Finally, we will focus on stakeholders management and give notes about this subject. I promise you, if you learn soft skills very well, you will enjoy from every single second of your career and life.
Thanks for your valuable information. Finally, I want to mention that we have a great support for any dark points. We will be happy to see you in this trip.